Microbit alarm clock with DS1302 RTC module. The objective of this project is to design and implement a complete digital alarm clock system using the BBC Microbit, a DS1302 Real-Time Clock, RTC, module, an LCD I2C display, and the internal buzzer of the Microbit. Assembly of system components. Breadboard is used for building a non-permanent circuit without soldering. The GPIO extension card expands the number of usable input-output pins on the Microbit, making it easier to connect the DS1302 RTC module and LCD display. The Microbit is a compact and programmable microcontroller board. It acts as the main controller of the alarm clock system. The LCD I2C display is used to show information visually in the project. It shows the current time and alarm messages. Connect the display's GND pin to the Microbit board's GND pin. Connect the VCC pin of the display to the 5-volt pin of the GPIO board. Connect the SDA pin of the display to the P20 pin of the Microbit. Connect the SCL pin of the display to the P19 pin of the Microbit. The DS1302 RTC Real-Time Clock module is an electronic component used to keep track of the current time and date in real time. Connect the VCC pin of the DS1302 RTC module to the 5-volt pin of the GPIO board. Connect the GND pin of the DS1302 RTC module to the GND pin of the Microbit. Connect CLK pin of the DS1302 RTC module to the P0 pin of Microbit. Connect the DAT pin of DS1302 RTC module to P1 pin of Microbit. Connect the RST pin of DS1302 RTC module to P2 pin of Microbit. Make code program of the alarm clock. This make code program creates a digital alarm clock system using the Microbit, DS1302 Real-Time Clock module, and an LCD I2C display. The system continuously displays the current time and activates an alarm with sound at 7 hours. For more details you can visit my website, robotique.site robotic guide.